Hi everyone, Petalisbless here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on again to share with you guys one more, yes, one more item I got from my favorite online store, Soufeel Jewelry. Yeah, I got their customized name necklace, you guys. Yeah. I like sharing you guys things I got from them. Now, I did order this name necklace for my sister for a Christmas gift. And I said, come on and share it with you guys. So here it is, the necklace with her name on it, Gillette. And it has a little blue stone in it, which is for her birthstone, which is September. So I got that in there for her. And this necklace is so nice. You can change the font, whichever font you want. They have different ones on the site. You could type in the name that you want the necklace in and switch it back and forth through the different fonts and choose the one that you like. So here's a closer look, and as you can see, now you can see the stone. It's right here, whichever birthstone the person is, you can add that stone. If you just want to put any particular stone that you like, you can do that also, which is very nice. And like I said, the font with the name. And the chain is nice, you guys. It's a good length chain, and there's different loops that you can make it shorter or longer, whichever you choose. And here we go. We have it on my Christy little mannequin here. Just to show you how it looks when you present it on your neck. See, it drops very nice. It's very nice, you guys. I really like it. And it comes in silver. They have it in gold. They have them in, I believe they have them in rose gold too, you guys. I believe they do, yeah. On their site, yeah. It makes a lovely Christmas gift idea, you guys. Really nice. Whenever I come up with these things, I like sharing these things with you, and they are affordable, and that's what I'm all about. Nice things at a quality price. So I'm going to leave a link below to Soufeel Jewelry and a little discount code for you guys too, so you can go over and get something for yourself or get something for your loved one for the Christmas season, even for the New Year season, you guys. Yeah, get something nice and blingy. All right, you guys. Like I said, I'll leave the link below. Thank you so much for coming on and seeing the other gift item, Christmas gift item that I got from my favorite online store, Soufeel Jewelry. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless. Bye-bye, everyone.
Baby, why's your man not here?